this right here is like the bomb.com, like you showing out with VSHOW Hair. Okay, period.
Baby girl, come lead me through the darkness like I'm blind. You say what you don't mean, girl, I'm just trying to read your mind. I wanna make this perfect, but I know it takes some time. One thing for sure is that I will never catch you.
Y'all, it's Alisha Rena back again with another video, and as you can see by the title, we will be doing a review on VSHOW Hair Collection wigs. Okay, if you cannot tell by now, I'm in love with this wig, but I'm not going to say too much in the beginning. We're just going to go ahead and hop into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so this is VSHOW Human Hair Collection wig box in this beautiful pink and gold box. It is gorgeous, and when you open the box, it's going to come with your wig, of course, and on the top it's going to show, you know, what social media platforms you can find them on and how you can locate them, you know, via name and stuff. And then it's gonna come with a wig, of course, in a plastic Ziploc bag for wigs, as well as 2 wig caps. And guys, these are some great wig caps to use if you're melting your wig. It melts really nicely. It's extra stretchy. And it's also going to come with a card also showing you where you can find them on Instagram, as well as other information as far as contacting VSHOW Hair Collection wigs. And it also says it on the back of the box as well. So everywhere on the box, inside the box, you can find where to contact them. So this is a wig right here, this beautiful deep wave 16-inch wig. I had already took it out the box, so it's looking a little raunchy, but I promise you guys that it looked more beautiful, you know, prior to me taking it out before the video. So I'm just showing you guys, you know, a little bit of sort of what it looked like when I took it out the box. It is a 4x4 closure wig, and I'm about to show you guys the knots and how it blends in my skin. So it looks pretty good. It looks even better on, so but now I am putting the wig in front of the camera so you guys can see the clips in there. Don't mind the bleach on the wig cap, on the wig. I just, yeah, left some on there. And it does come with adjustable straps and also a place where you can glue the back of your wig at your nape. So I'm putting the wig on so I can style the wig, and I'm also starting to comb it out so you guys can see, you know, how much shedding came from this wig. And as you can see, not a lot at all came from this wig, so I give that a A+ for it being a deep wave wig. Now I am parting the hair out just so you guys can see what it looked like if it were a small side part or a semi-deep part. Not really deep because of course it is a 4x4 closure, and the partings look really natural to me. So, and it's not super, you know, thick at the part if you were to part it, so I really like that about the wig. Now I'm going to get my Cure Care, and I'm just going to put that on the roots of the wig, and I'm going to use my comb to smooth it out. And once I finish that, I'm going to just get my hot comb and flatten that guy straight out so my roots can be flat and the rest of my hair can be curly. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys, you know, see me do that process. y'all, VSHOW Hair Collection definitely showed off with this one. New hair, who this? But no, for real, y'all, I'm definitely feeling this 16-inch deep wave hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, when I first got it, I was just kind of like, oh my gosh, you know, it's so short. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but baby, they definitely did the thing with this. This hair is, of course, human hair, and it is super duper soft. I love how soft it is, and it's just like, yo, a squirrel was like by my window, but a squirrel was by my window. But anyways, back on track. So yeah, the hair is super soft, and if you can't tell now, I mean, you can tell. Like, the curls are definitely there. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And even if it's wet, the curls are still there. I wet this side a little bit because I had overbrushed it, but y'all, I can't stop grinning because I look so cute. This wig definitely is the bomb.com. Like, yes, baby, yes. Come through with the hair. Come through curls. Come through softness. Come through. And the lace, y'all, the lace. Let me tell y'all about the lace. The lace blends so well. I had put my foundation on it, but I didn't like actually glue it down, so some parts are still up and stuff like that, so don't mind that. But when I tell you the lace blends so well, if I were to push this down, let me see. Like, it blends so well with my skin tone. So I love that. And the lace stretches as well, so it's not just like, you know, this thick lace or whatnot. So, and it doesn't look like, oh, your scalp is coming up. You know, it doesn't look like that. It's actually super thin. Once you put your foundation tone on there and put it on and apply your wig, it'll blend effortlessly. Like, this wig is gorgeous, y'all. Okay, I gotta stop looking at myself, because y'all, I can't even get through the tutorial because I'm just definitely feeling this wig. Like, thank you, VSHOW Hair. Y'all definitely showed out, all right? So, let's get into some of the information about the wig, though. Let's get back on track. So, as said before, this is a 16-inch deep wave hair wig. And it's a 4x4 closure, so you're able to part, you know, your hair different ways, but of course not like no deep side part or anything. So you're able to switch, you know, your parts, and the parts looks pretty natural. I did end up bleaching my knots, but the bleach, I don't know if I did it wrong or if it's just, you know, the hair in general, but I don't know, it just didn't get light enough for me to where, like, I like mine like at least this much bleach, but it's probably on my end, so I'm gonna go back and do it one day so it can look more natural. I do say if you are going to get this wig, you will need to, of course, bleach your knots and pluck, you know, the front of your lace, because it is a little thick in the front. Not bad, like extremely bad, because I didn't pluck this, but it still looks pretty nice and natural. What else can I say about this hair? Of course, yeah, the hair is super soft. It was a little bit of shedding, so not anything, you know, that you should be concerned about or anything like that. As far as tangling, I don't have any like really tangles in my hair or anything like that, but of course, if you are going to get deep wave hair and you're wearing it dry and stuff like that, it will tangle over time. Like I said, the curls, baby, the curls are there. All right, it's a deep wave hair. It's like, I actually flat ironed this part out, and just to see if the curls revert back after you know, wetting it again. The curls did revert back after I flat ironed the top of my head, so that's another A+ for this wig. As far as the wig having any smell, it doesn't really have a huge smell at all to it, so that's another bonus for this wig. I have literally no complaints about this wig. I literally, like, let me get a thumbnail. Baby, it's the wig for me. It's the wig for me. Got this deep wave 16 inches. Ugly wear. Ugly wear. If you get VSHOW hair, you are definitely showing out, okay? Period. But yes, guys, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. I literally have no complaints. This is literally one of the best wigs I have gotten, you know, curly so far. I definitely 100% wholeheartedly recommend you guys to go buy this wig, because this right here is like the bomb.com. Like, you showing out with VSHOW hair. Okay, period. I definitely, yeah, no complaints at all. And I'm not just saying this, you can tell from my video, like, I genuinely love this hair. And I'm so happy, you know, that I had the chance to review this wig, because now I can start helping y'all out, okay? So we don't have, like, Stiffianas out here in this world, all right? So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And again, y'all, this is VSHOW hair. Let me go ahead and focus it. This is VSHOW hair. So make sure, focus. I gotta get closer, y'all. So yeah, even close up, it looks phenomenal. But yeah, get VSHOW hair wig, 16-inch deep wave. They do have plenty of other wigs that you can definitely choose from, but this is the one that I chose to review, and I love it. So if you love this look, it's gonna even look more beautiful on you, okay? So definitely check them out. The link will be in my description, so make sure you click that. Okay. It's Alisha Rena here, and I'm out.